Now come to schedule 11 and 12. Last two schedules of the constitution. So 11th schedule, it is included by 73rd Amendment Act 1992 and schedule 12 included by 74th Amendment Act 1992. So 11th schedule is only for Gram Panchayat and 12 is only for municipalities. So in this schedule, there is a provision of Gram Panchayat for their powers, authorities and responsibilities. Same is for municipality here. There is a provision of power, authority and responsibility of municipalities in India. Now last important point of both schedules is how many subjects included in this schedule related to Gram Panchayat. So number of subjects is only 29 and here it is only 18 subjects. Okay, so only 18 subjects of municipalities are included under 12 schedule and here it is 29. So how Gram Panchayat work and what are the rights and powers given to Gram Panchayat and given to municipalities by the government, all these detailed description is given under the schedule 11 and 12. So that deep information about their power, functions, authority, responsibility, making laws, etc. All this information I will teach you in this particular topic which is mentioned in the bare act of the constitution. So for that thing I will make a particular video, but only for the exam point of view related to schedules. This information is quite enough because the question can be asked like schedule 11 is included by which amendment act, schedule 12 included by which amendment act. So you have to tick your answer in the form of this and this. Now this question can be asked like in which schedule there is a provision of Gram Panchayat and in which schedule there is a provision for municipalities. Number of subjects can be also asked. It is very important how many subjects of Gram Panchayat included in 11th schedule. So the answer is 29 and here it is 18. So now this is the end of my video. So I have taught you total 12 schedules of the Indian Constitution. I hope you like my teaching and information I given to you that will be definitely come in your exam. Now do one thing, you have to pick up a practice set from Google only for the schedule topic and try to solve it. 99.9% your answers will be correct if you watched this video till the end. So what are you waiting for? Check your results and tell me in the comment section how many of questions you have done correct related to this topic only. So there are so many practice sets that is available on Google. Go and search them and solve them. And you can also buy my own personal notes of this topic. Link is given to you in the description box. There is an email ID given to you. On that email ID, you have to only drop me an email. I want to purchase the notes of this particular topic. So our team will definitely reply you and help you to get the notes. So now if you think this video is very fruitful for you, so give me a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.